ways sexting can spice up a long-distance relationship. Long-distance relationships can be demanding, especially when it comes to the sexual part. However, there are so many ways to handle this part in relationships. A recent finding by researchers at Drexel University indicates as many as 88% of adults have engaged in sexting. Whoosh! Interesting fact, right? Sexting in relationships can spice your relationship up and in the most beautiful way. Here are some reasons you might consider sexting in your long-distance relationship. 1. Creates chemistry. Sexting brings sexual spark in your relationship. Several couples go through a dry spell after years of being together. If you start sexting, things will slowly change for good and your sex life will be back on track. It creates and builds an intense chemistry between two people. Sexting makes you feel close to your partner even when he or she is miles away. 2. Sharing secrets build trust. When your partner discovers new things they know that only them are privy to, they trust you more. Now these secrets are those sexual fantasies you have and would love them to know. Apart from the ecstasy of knowing something that intimate about you, there is tension in the air. Tension, the good one, makes you look forward to seeing each other. 3. Dopamine is fun. Doing something dangerous and falling in love have a key brain chemical in common, dopamine. This triggers that powerful endorphin rush we feel, especially when we're falling in love. While sending a naughty text to someone, you might experience a rush of excitement that can actually improve your chances of bonding. The brain doesn't differentiate between love and excitement at first, and trust me, confusion can be incredibly sexy. 4. Increases physical attraction. Sexting also ensures that physical attraction grows with time. This happens because you understand each other's bodies better. You chat about every little detail of private moments that you would like to happen, and that just increases the attraction. Every time you meet, you will just want to explore your partner's body more. Long-distance relationship does not mean the end of your sexual relationship. Spice it up and make your partners crave you more. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.